What's going on, everybody? This is Rylan from Land Insights, and today I'm going to be going over our free Chrome extension add-ons. We just added some new features to our Chrome extension. A lot of people love this. A lot of people use it on the daily basis. So we added some cool, nifty little gadgets to our Chrome extension, and today I'm going to be going over that. So if you don't have access to our free Chrome extension yet, you can get it here. You don't even need a subscription to Land Insights at all to get access to this. You just simply go to our homepage and then click free Chrome plugin, enter your information, and then you'll be able to download the Chrome extension there. So as you can see in the top right of my Google Chrome browser, I have the Land Insights icon, and I clicked on that, and you can see some changes to our user interface. One thing we added was free single skip tracing. This was a big request from our users, was to be able to do one-off skip traces for owners' phone numbers, and it's free. So no cost to you by doing that. So you can utilize that tool there. And then we updated the UI. Make sure you always have checked on Zillow or Redfin when you're looking at land so that we can do our nifty little tricks to help you analyze comps in Zillow and Redfin. So I'm going to go over one use case that's new for us. So let's just go into Land Insights for a second. And we're on the data platform map right now, as you can see here. And I'm just going to zoom into a random property in the US. And let's just say I put it under contract. Okay, so it looks like this guy, Armstrong Farms at Tuckerman. Let's say we put it under contract and we want to reach out to a neighbor to see if they want to buy it. So let's say maybe this guy might have interest in buying that off us. Instead of like sending him a letter or anything, let's just skip trace this guy and give him a call. So we're going to open our Chrome extension. We're going to open single skip trace tool, and it's going to ask for information. So Ellis Landers. So we're going to go first name Ellis. And then we're going to put in the mailing address, which is, go off of this. And then we're going to remove city, state, zip code, because that goes down below. So city is Sheridan. Mailing state is Arkansas. Zip code is 72150. And then we would simply just click skip trace, and it's going to give us any phone numbers that are matched with that skip trace. And then we can just go ahead and call that guy. Maybe log him in our CRM. And then you can skip trace all the neighbors around to see if they might have interest. Maybe they do, maybe they don't. Another use case would be, let's say you couldn't get a hold of the owner. Maybe he sent you a letter in the mail and he forgot to put his phone number in there, or maybe you gave you the wrong phone number. You can skip trace and try to reach him that way instead of having to send letters back and forth. So this cuts that time to contact with these landowners and neighbors as well. Okay. So that's one feature, our free single skip trace tool. And then another one is going to be our market analysis inside Zillow and Redfin. So right here you can see, maybe we're looking at a property in Lanoke County. We're going to give you a score based on how good that market is, so how hot that market is. So we have a 50 out of 100 on this, which is not good, and we even tell you that. There's much better markets out there. So what we're taking into account is demand, supply in the area, and a few different metrics to tell you how quickly land is moving over out there. So if you get a property out here under contract and it's a 50 out of 100, you might want to start thinking, hey, maybe we need to drop our price to make this high demand. But if we're at like a 90 out of 100 market, maybe we can get market value when we sell that land. But in these lower scored markets, we might need to drop our price when we list it for sale so that we get traction. But if we listed it at maybe median or average, it might not get a lot of traction, which means you would need to price drop. But these higher markets, you might be able to get that median or average price for comps in the area. And then, yeah, the way you do it is you just look up any random county. Like we can look up, let's just say Davidson County, Tennessee. Yeah, and update it. So this market has 55 out of 100. So, yep, you can look at different markets, analyze how we scored it, and it just gives you good context on how to price your listings for sale. So, yep, that's it. If you guys need access, again, just go to landinsights.co/Chrome-extension and enter your information. You can download it on Chrome and start using it today. All right, thanks, y'all.